and I'm super excited today because I have a mystery bag of yarn to unbox. So excited. The other day I was online scrolling through Hobbii Yarns. All right, itchy eyeball. Hobbii Yarns, and I saw that they had mystery bags of yarns. I think they call them lucky bags of yarn, but it's just mystery yarn, you guys, and I was super excited about it. And so they had like an acrylic, the wool one was sold out, there was cotton, and then they had the one that I got, this big giant bag. It's supposed to have 4 cakes of yarn. So this cake right here, you can see this is a cake from Hobbii. And so this is 4 mystery cakes of yarn. They could be all 4 the same color. They could be 4 completely different colors. They could be repeats of colors I already have. I'm so excited, guys. So here's the back. See, it takes up the whole screen, you guys. I'm so excited. Let me lean. Get my trusty little unicorn scissors. And I'm going to cut this open. I have not. See, it's completely sealed. Oh, look. It's so cute. There's a little candy in there that just fell out. Like, that's so cute. They put a candy. It even says Hobbii. Look at that. Oh, that's so sweet. I'm going to give that to one of my kids. My big fat cat Mayonnaise is right here, so I can't, like, I have, like, another chair. Mayonnaise. Oh, I love you. I'm sorry, guys. You can't see him. He's lazy. But, okay, I'm going to cut this bag open. A bigger pair of scissors was probably a good idea. But this is cutting open pretty easy, so these are my good scissors. Because I have lots of scissors, but my kids keep taking them and cutting up sticky stuff with them, so they're not all good. So the bag is open. I have not seen, so I'm just going to reach in. Oh, there's something else here. I forget that you get, like, sometimes when you order from Hobbii, you get free gifts. I don't even know what this is. I can't remember because, to be honest with you, I ordered this a while ago. Shipping did take a slight bit longer than I thought, but it's okay. I'm not mad about it at all. Oh, yeah, I forgot. They are cable needles for knitting. Aren't these cute? So excited. That's just all my paperwork. But, cable needles. Okay, this bottom purple one is life for me. I love that so much. I'm gonna set that right there. Put my scissors back now again. So now I'm reaching in. It's so funny. It's in another bag, so I can kind of see colors showing through. I think there's definitely a repeat of something I already have. But that's okay. I'm gonna cut this bag open. Cut. There we go. Actually, I don't think I have this cake. Look at this one. Now, they're not going to have names on them because these are like mill ends or whatever, but oh, so pretty. It looks like this one is missing maybe the red, but it's still so pretty. Oh, it'll make a beautiful shawl. I love this so much. And so there will be no information with these. No, I'm pretty sure these are all fingering weight, but I won't have yardage. I won't have names, none of that. But that's okay. I don't mind. This one is so pretty. Okay. Mayonnaise doesn't want yarn on him. Let me set this right here, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm going to reach in. What's the next one? Oh, wow. Okay, so if you guys can see, here it is. I have this one right there. That is not from Hobbii, actually. It was from, I forgot. It was given to me by wonderful Cindy, who in New York. She gave it to me, and I love it so much. I haven't used it yet. But it's kind of the same idea, but with blue. This makes me think of my best friend, Al. Al, I'm thinking of you. This is like something for you. So pretty. I don't want to keep bending over, Mayonnaise. All right. Stack them on my lap, I guess. All right, 2 more to go. I really don't know what's in here now. Okay, I don't have this one, but every time I get online, I put this one in my cart, and I'm like, I'm going to buy that one because that's like me colors. Look at that. I love this so much. This is so much fun, you guys. Okay, the last one. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. Okay, let me grab the other one. Because I sat it over there. So sorry, guys. So I got all 4 of these. Big, beautiful cakes of yarn. I will tell you this was $40, so I'm going to be honest about the price. But I know these cakes are more than $10 a cake, so it is a deal. And they're beautiful, you guys. And like I said, okay, so I'm super excited about this because I got one color. Oh, I pulled the white off of the bottom. I got one color that I absolutely would buy. Absolutely. I put this in the cart every time. And these other 3, sorry, I messed up the white on that. These other 3 are ones that I wouldn't purchase, but I absolutely love. You know I love a good rainbow. I was saying I needed more neutrals. It's perfect. And then I love blue. I just never, I got to rewind that onto there. I never buy blue, but look at how pretty. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. So again, minus the little funny yarn. There's my 4 cakes. I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. I'm not sure if they still have them, but I recommend checking websites like Hobbii. I know Lion Brand sometimes does mystery bags or lucky bags or something. I recommend checking them out and just keep checking to see when they have them available. A lot of times big yarn dyers like this will have, like I said, these are like mill ends or something. And so they have them all the time. So I recommend, my eye is so itchy today, guys. It's probably because I keep rubbing it. Anyways, I recommend checking with them and checking them out. I will link Hobbii down below so you guys can check that out. But I'm going to get out of here and put my beautiful yarn up on my wall somewhere. All right. Bye, guys.